Okay, fast one for us real quick before our dang camera dies. We just got a new one, so the battery, I let it charge all night last night, but I guess it wasn't enough, so we're running low. We got everything done on our 6-speed auto. The exhaust, these guys, we got a little rough with our clamp over here, so we're gonna have to check that out. We got our fluid, everything changed in our transfer case. They didn't drain it, it was black. Got new transfer case fluid in it. Got all of our bells and whistles back on. Everything is put back in the original spot. If it didn't come with it, I put it there. I had a couple of places to where they didn't leave me bolts, but I put them back. They did a really good job of keeping most of the bolts there. I think I only really had like 2 or 3, so did a really good job for a carry out, and they brought it all the way to us for us to do the whole job. We really appreciate them guys. I think they got a fleet of these trucks, so we'd really like to be a part of the team and can't wait to see the next one. So if y'all guys need anything, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and y'all gotta stay tuned because this just got good and we're not going anywhere anytime soon. Y'all have a great day. Happy holidays.